Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today, I want to share one of my family's favorite recipes, steamed tofu and egg with pork gravy. My grandmama loves this dish because she doesn't have good teeth, and the texture of the tofu and egg is so smooth, tender, and perfect for her to eat. My mom loves this dish because it's easy to make, budget-friendly, and nutritious. We kids love it too because it's so delicious and savory. So please hit the like button and let's get started. The recipe is super easy. You will need 1 package of silken tofu. Do not use firm tofu because we want this dish to be as smooth as possible. Pour out the water, then add the tofu into a big mixing bowl. Crack in 2 eggs. Add a 1/3 teaspoon of salt and some ground white pepper to taste. Take a whisk and break the tofu as fine as you can. Stir to mix thoroughly. Pour everything into a heat-proof serving plate. Shake and tap a few times to level the mixture. Fill a steamer with water and place the egg and tofu mixture in. Cover with a heat-proof lid to prevent the water from dripping back into the food. Turn the heat to medium and bring the water to a boil. Then steam for 15 minutes. Start counting the time after the water boils. While waiting, we can make the pork gravy. Heat the wok to smoking hot and add a drizzle of oil along with some ground pork. Stir over high heat until the meat changes color, which only takes a minute. If you don't eat pork, you can switch it to ground beef. Add ½ tablespoon of Sichuan douban jiang and stir well. Toss in some minced garlic, diced Tbsps chilies, scallion, and cilantro. If you don't eat spicy food, you can replace the Sichuan douban jiang with soybean paste and switch the Tbsps chilies with red bell pepper. Stir until fragrant. Season it with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And stir well. Quickly mix 3/4 cup of water with 1½ teaspoon of cornstarch until there's no lumps remain. And pour it into the wok. Stir until the sauce thickens. By now, the tofu and egg should be done steaming. You should get a plate lifter tool like this. It's very useful to take a big plate out of a tight pot. Pour the ground pork gravy on the top. Use the spatula to push to cover all the tofu and egg. There you have it. We usually enjoy this with white rice. It's satisfying to take a bite as the custardy egg and tofu just melt in your mouth. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Before you go, please allow me to promote my carbon steel wok. I've been using it for 6 years now. It has helped me make over 300 delicious Chinese dishes on this channel so far, and I'll continue to make more because I stand for my own brand, Souped Up Recipes. I recently just added a new SKU, which includes the wok, a spatula, and a stainless steel lid with a visualized tempered glass window so you can check the doneness easily. Carbon steel wok is the must-have cookware in Chinese cuisine, so if you love to cook Asian foods, please support me and check the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!